Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your May love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. Also, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Hindi Urdu versions of these readings are on my other channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi Urdu. You can check there. Links are in timestamps. Also, friends, check out the May Pick a Card readings. Yes, friends, check out the May Pick a Card readings. So don't forget to check that out. And let's begin, friends. Your cards are already jumping, Sagittarius. What is the theme of the month for Sagittarius for May? Okay, Knight of Cups. So communications are important. Okay, Page of Swords. The theme of the month for Sagittarius for May. All right, Eight of Swords. Okay. Oh my God. So first things first, this month is about communications, a lot of communications, a lot of mental activity, thoughts, planning, preparations, strategizing, also messaging, reaching out to people, connecting with people. Networking is very, very, very important for you, friends. Yes, some of you may feel some confusions are there, or some decisions may be there in May. You may feel like you don't know what to do about those decisions or confusions, but I do feel that you will be able to find the clarity this month. Your focus will also be very nice, Sagittarius. So there will be clarity, there will be mental focus, also connections, connecting with the right kind of people, connecting with the right kind of lovers, soulmates. So there is a lot of clarity. There is a lot of networking, communications. Those things are important. I also feel some of you may be feeling a bit restricted, or maybe you are like, why is this world going this way? All is, doom, doom, doom. All doom gloom theories. You may feel a bit stuck. You may feel like, you need a change, a sort of a holiday, a trip or something. Some of you may also feel like, there is a somebody from the past who want to reach out to you, but you are like, should you accept them or not? Also, you will have some choices in love, like a new friend, a past lover, both are there. So you will have a tough time choosing, deciding, Sagittarius, which one you want, because that's the energy. Also, talking to people, reaching out to people, connecting with people, helping them, working online. But you may feel a bit of frustrations. Let's just clarify. I feel you're frustrated because you are working from home, or because you want something, but you want a trip, you want a holiday, but it's not happening. Again, the sword. Oh my God, travel is important. Yes, travel is very important. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is also important. A lot of people are very, this is a people oriented month for you, Sagittarius. A lot of people are important for you. It could be family, it could be new people, it could be friends who are coming, or past people coming back to you. News. Also, I see a tons of emails, news, messages coming for you. So you're like, what is happening? What's going on? Lots of networking, lots of messages. I also feel like you might reach out to someone for an apology, or someone might apologize to you, Sagittarius. So yeah, that's also there. Let's see your love life, Sagittarius, their love life in May. Three of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Okay. Nine of Swords. My God, a lot of people are important here for you, Sagittarius, their love life. Sagittarius, their love life. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So yeah, I do feel that, in the first week of May, you may feel like, you will be more focused on the past. There is like, you feel hurt, you feel sad in the first week of May, or you are thinking about the past, why somebody hurted you, why they put you in a third party. I do feel you could be, there is a connection where there is a third party, or there is this connection where someone is keeping you waiting. It is moving slowly. You feel unhappy about this, Sagittarius. It could be within a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It could be anybody actually, because you have all the signs here. But I do feel that you feel the first week is a bit slow. That's how you will feel. Also, you will feel like even with your person, you some past issues, hurts might be discussed, or it might happen again. The past hurts might happen again. Yes, you may feel very emotional in the first week. Also, you will have a choice, Sagittarius, to focus on work or to focus on love. Both will need your attention, but I feel you will eventually end up focusing on work. Nine of Swords, yeah, you will have a sleepless nights in the first week because you are very anxious why somebody hurted you, what are they doing, where are they. They might also be stalking your social media, trying to reach out to you, but there are some issues, some blocks in this connection right now in the first week. In the second week, yes, I do feel this person is definitely missing you. It is a long distance connection, or it is someone who was in no contact with you or who left you in the past, blocked you. They are missing you, they are crying over you, and they will reach out to you in the second week. I do feel that yes, they will be opening their heart, sharing their feelings. They have been reluctant to share their heart, Sagittarius, but in the second week this person will open their heart. And also some of you might be able to meet this person quite by chance, like they just are your neighbor and they dropped by and you came out also at the same time and you might meet, or they might actually come to your city, or they might actually plan to meet you in the coming days. So there is a factor of meeting, planning, talks opening in the second week. Let's see your love life in the third week. In the third week, I do see that there will be a celebration. If you are single, you might be going out on a date with somebody, Sagittarius. I feel if you are single, you'll be meeting many new people, including your past exes. Past people also, they are also coming, new people are also coming. Some of you are going out, having a good time in this third week. Also some of you will have more easy relationships, more fun, more love, there more sharing. But your person may feel like they need to focus on their work, on their money, because I feel, Sagittarius, your person may feel like they don't have enough money or they are going through money issues in the third week. So even though all is going well in third week, your person may become busy, or they had to focus, or they have to focus on money, career, and you might have to keep it in balance in the third week, because you will be like, oh, I was expecting a meeting, I was expecting a date, I was expecting we'll watch movie together, we'll talk, but then what happened? They are like, see, I have work to do, I'm penniless, I need some work, this work is there, I need to do it, or some work commitments are there, so they have to do that. In the fourth week, I feel things will be definitely getting better for you. There will be perfect love and harmony, and you will be in a relationship by the fourth week. Also, you will feel more like things are settling down. Your person is more open. They are sharing their heart, and you both are on the same page. And also, I do feel that High Priestess, yes, you could be dealing with someone, your connection is becoming very deep in the fourth week. You are feeling, you can read each other's mind, you can complete the sentences. So this is like, oh, you guys will feel, if this is a new person, you will feel like this is the one for you. And even if this is a past person, you will be able to understand each other more now. Even like earlier in the past, it was not possible to understand you both. This person, they were a mystery, but now you can understand this person, they can understand you. There is this sense of trust and intuition, telepathy. Six of Pentacles, yes, your person will also give you gifts, or you might give a gift to your person. There is gift, there is sharing, there is caring, good energy, Sagittarius. But I do feel a lot of people are coming, so you will have to network, you will have to share what you don't want to share. So that is there. Let's see, or your person needs to share what they are hiding, their feelings. Wow, intuition card is coming every time. Look at that. Sacrifice, the shadow, and the advice is base chakra. All right, let's see. So yeah, I feel this month, you will feel very powerful and connected with your work. You will also feel very motivated and passionate about your career. Even though I feel you will be working from home or mostly working online. Some of you could start taking some risk. You may feel scared about it, but I do feel it will pay off well, especially in your career, and money sector. And especially something will boost your ego, something will happen in your career which will boost your ego, in your finances it will boost your ego. Hanged man, yeah, you feel stuck in your work. Definitely, you are like, when will this work from home end? When will this dullness go away? When will our life get better? I think slow and steady is better for you, friends, this week, because you have to keep a positive attitude this month. I feel it is like you want to travel, you want to go abroad, you want to work somewhere else, you want to shift, relocate, or you already work somewhere else, but you are like, why am I stuck in this rut? Friends, there is a reason, there is a divine reason for all that is happening right now. And I do feel in your work, you will be able to face your fears head on and, come out of it. Whatever risk you feel like whatever you think you couldn't do, like you feel like you can't be a businessman, you will start doing that. You feel like, oh, I can't make a PowerPoint, you will do that. You will feel like, oh, I can't learn Excel, you will. You will. Whatever you fear, you will be able to achieve that. I also feel that, friends, you will be getting a lot of divine signs this month, especially for your career and education. So listen to those signs, divine signs, messages. A lot of people will be connecting to you, your guides, your spirit guides, Sagittarius, crown chakra. Yes, a lot of spiritual connections, advice. Also, mentors will be important to you, Sagittarius. You could be mentoring or guiding somebody, or somebody could be guiding you to something, like a teacher, a mentor is there. I also feel some of you might start teaching or writing something, a book or something. So it's a great energy, Sagittarius. You just need to be patient and see things from a different perspective, because otherwise you will start to get frustrated. Like you want to travel or you want to go back to the things as they were. But everything has a purpose, friends. Every night has a purpose, because some things, the light matters only when there is a night. We can understand that, the difference. If there is always a day, we will never know the shadows, the darkness. December is important. So, yeah, so it could be your own birth month, or you are dealing with someone born in December. Wealth is coming your way, friends. Yes, nest, family is very important. Shield, yes, you need to defend yourself. Yes, I do feel protection is already there. Your spirit family, your guardian angels are protecting you. Wedge, there is a misunderstanding or someone is trying to come between you and another person. Lobster, financial pinch. I do feel you may feel like, oh, why is money coming so slow? Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. Rainbow, the most difficult part of a situation is over. So I do see things getting better, quicker, and you might be able to travel or get some weekend getaways or something. Pineapple, reconciliation, yes, people from past coming back, reconciliations. You are on the road to success. I told you. Leg, you are moving into something new. Moon, changes in your life. You may feel like you don't know where your life is going, but trust, something is shifting. Older man, your father figure, an elderly figure, boss, somebody is important. December and July both are important. Pig, be aware of greed. Yeah, don't be too greedy, friends, about money and all those things, because you are also going through a lot of this is a busy month. Lot of information is coming for you. You will have to process it, friends. Lot of ideas, lot of spiritual things, lot of networking, lot of information, news, changes. You will all have to process it. So don't worry if your work is going slow. Accept it, and it will get fast. Wealth is coming, so things will develop quickly once this energy shifts. And subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is it for now, friends. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.